it's Charlie with Peak Auto. This is episode 2 of Going Places, Ohio and Pennsylvania. Good morning, Peak Squad. It is 10 a.m. Maybe you could tell by my bedhead. I slept way in. All right, we're in Columbus, Ohio. I just did a quick outfit change at a Planet Fitness. I'm showered, I'm feeling clean, and hey, if anyone's looking for a new desk chair, there's one behind Porsche's in Columbus, Ohio. How cute is this? It's called a pizzadilla. I just spent $100 on books, and it's day 2 of the trip. What am I doing? I won't bore you too much other than to say I got a book about the ocean. That actually was me misspelling someone's username, and then I smudged it, but I didn't realize it would smudge.
That's good. Wow. Okay. Also, the sun is right here.
Yep. Oh my god, written like a designer. That's...
For a second, I was like, fuck, how do I spell that?
That was so fun to meet Em. So, okay, Em and I are actually just internet friends, but here we are, in real life, drinking coffees in Columbus, Ohio, a place neither of us live, but Em's from here, so... That's something I love about traveling is I can finally see friends that I haven't seen in a long time. Maybe we all scattered across the US. It feels nice. All right, I want to be in Pittsburgh by dinner time, so let's go. Pittsburgh is beautiful. I wasn't expecting to feel that way, but it's, wow, it's massive. I mean, look at what I'm looking at right now. Unreal. I feel like I need to wash my face, so I'm gonna do that and then find a place to eat and drink. So rainy. Pittsburgh, you were awesome. I love it. Now I'm headed to Hershey, Pennsylvania for the Antique Automotive Museum. AACA Museum displays beautifully restored vehicles in lifelike settings representing the 1890s to the 1980s. Recently recognized by Road and Track and Auto Classics as one of the top automobile museums in America, the museum takes visitors on a cross-country journey from New York to San Francisco. You're telling me I could have visited this museum instead of going on this whole road trip? That was amazing. All of the cars are in such good condition. It was gorgeous. That's all for this episode. Thanks so much for joining us, Peak Squad, and we will be back in Pennsylvania later in the trip, so this is not the end of the Pennsylvania automotive attractions. Don't even think that for a second. Next up, we're going to be in New York for a few days. I have quite the drive ahead of me, and I'm already tired, so I'll see you guys when I get there.